Hey guys, it's Tats here from Castagra, and we were in Vegas. Isn't that how all great stories start? And we're doing due diligence on a company that we're potentially going to work with. And this was before the days where you could easily look something up on the phone. We're in a rush, we're on the main strip, and we pulled over and we saw this guy who was very well dressed, and he looked like he was local, knew where he was going. So we went up to him and asked him where the closest library was and how to get there. And then he had no clue, and he told us, who the heck goes to Vegas to go to a library? I guess he had a point, but still, we had a mission. We were in a rush. So moments later, there was another individual approaching our direction. He was wearing shorts, he was wearing a t-shirt, and he had a hat on that had 2 cans of beer attached to it with the straw that went into his mouth. Being in a rush, we asked the guy, and he was kind, and he gave us extremely detailed information to the library. Now, what's the lesson here? Beer drinkers are avid readers. Not quite. I would say more along the lines of, don't judge a book by its cover, especially when you're dealing with people in terms of recruiting them for the organization or to partner with them. Everything on the outside could look perfect. Their social media profile, their resume, everything else. But take the time to get to know someone, figure out who they are, avoid snap judgments about people. You just don't know until you look deeper.